Welcome back. I'm Soc, a developer advocate with Google Pay. In the last video, I walked through the most basic of Google Pay integrations and skipped over some important details like requesting shipping details and calculating taxes. In this video, I'll take you through the process of integrating shipping details and dynamically calculating the final price in our sample React application. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend watching that video first. You can find a link to the video in the description below. The first thing we'll need to do is open up item-details.tsx and update the payment request to ask for shipping address and shipping options from the user. We will populate shipping option parameters by calling our mocked getShippingOptionParameters service. Next, we'll ask to be notified when the shipping address or shipping option changes by specifying the callback intents that we would like to be notified about, shipping address and shipping option. And now we'll provide an implementation for the on-payment data change callback, which is called whenever the shipping address or the shipping option changes. This callback is also invoked when the payment sheet is first displayed. In the callback method, we will calculate the new transaction information, including taxes and shipping costs. We'll do this by calling the mocked getTransactionInfo method, which expects a list of items, a shipping address, and the shipping option. This method looks up the shipping option price and calculates the tax based on shipping address. Finally, subtotal, shipping options, and taxes are added to the display items before returning the new transaction information. While we're making changes to item-details.tsx, let's refactor transaction info so that it makes use of the mocked getTransactionInfo method and call process order from onload payment data. Now that we're done, the result should look something like this. In this sample React application, we used a mock service in the front end to calculate the total price, but note that a typical implementation would perform this calculation in the back end. The on-payment data change callback also supports returning a promise so that you can make a call to your backend. This concludes a walkthrough of integrating the Google Pay button into a React application, where we started with a basic integration and dynamically calculated taxes and total price based on a user's shipping address and shipping options. If you are using another JavaScript framework, the concepts covered here will also apply. In addition to the React component, we've got a framework-specific implementation for Angular and support for many other frameworks with the web component version. Please let us know in the comments which framework you'd like to see a video walkthrough for next, and thanks for watching.